Hello, everyone. Many communities and businesses across the country are beginning to reopen and adjust to a different way of operating. From physical distancing to wearing a mask to more closely monitoring your health. We are all getting used to a new way of working, shopping, and living. To further support our communities and associates during this time, our Kroger Health team has administered more than 60,000 COVID-19 tests. That's just an incredible number, just so proud of the whole team. It was done across 64 locations in 13 states. On top of all of it, last week in Dallas, they took it to even a higher level. Our team created a walk-up testing model to ensure that the more at-risk people in our communities also have access to testing. We will continue to use this walk-up model in other locations to provide even more access to testing. In fact, recently here in Cincinnati in Roselawn, we opened up a second walk-up location. Just incredible, our whole team and how they work together to make that happen. I am so proud of our associates and how they've continued to adapt and work hard to keep our customers and each other safe. This week, Forbes magazine named Kroger one of the top 10 U.S. employers for our response to meeting the challenges of the pandemic. A huge thank you to our associates and customers for working together to create a safer environment for everyone. What's equally inspiring is how our associates bring our purpose to life and help our communities have a healthier and brighter future. Through our Zero Hunger, Zero Waste plan, we have donated 1 billion meals. That is just so amazing, 1 billion meals. That means we've surpassed our 3-year goal, and we were well along the way of achieving our goal of 3 billion meals by 2025. That's simply amazing. That really is all 500,000 associates working together and working with local food banks to make it happen. Our associates continue to lead the way to achieve Zero Hunger, Zero Waste. And I want to especially congratulate our Zero Heroes across the company who uplift their local communities and make the world a better place. If you would like to help, please consider rounding up your purchase the next time you shop to support the Zero Hunger, Zero Waste Foundation's Emergency COVID-19 Response Fund. Your donation will help create communities free of hunger and waste. A huge thank you to all who have already contributed. Stay strong, be safe, and thank you as always for shopping with us.